All right. What's up? Shadow Killblade here with, anyway, this is my sister. And we are on our way to the hiking location. Hi guys.
Hi.
How's it going? All right. Sorry if you hear the other mic.
Hi.
Sister's kind of using it right now, but we are currently on Land of Lakes Trail. I'm not used to doing this, so please bear with me, but I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a big tree. So yeah, this is the Land of Lakes beginning of the trail. Okay, we just started. So niece has to take pictures of every flower we see. But I hope you enjoy. This is Land of Lakes trailhead on Grand Mesa National Forest in Colorado.
Yeah, we just gotta get used to hiking again.
Yeah, well, and this is actually a very pretty, easy trail. It's not very long. And it's like really pretty this time of year because everything's green and not dead.
Everything is definitely very wet.
Look at that. This is from the trail. And like, it goes up. So you can get a better view, but you got like 1, like 2, like 3. There's another lake over here behind these trees. Look at this view. All right, this is at the top. Look at it, there's a boat out there. Me and my niece are gonna have a photo competition in Discord. I'm gonna post it up on Discord. The link should be down below for my Discord if you want to join the Discord. Also, don't forget to check out my Twitch and the merch store. Links will also be down below. Okay, well, we're gonna try the other way now. Cause like, it was really short. Like, really short.
This is the shortest trail of my life.
Look at her.
All right, let's go see where the other trail goes.
Okay. Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure everybody else probably went that way. Oh, there's somebody up here.
It's all uphill, guys. We got some really cool pictures of these purple flowers with like raindrops on them.
Okay.
Or dewdrops. It's really good. I think Maddie's was the best.
Yeah, I think so too.
We may stop every now and then, like I said, to get pictures and
Catch our breath.
Catch-
'Cause
yeah, this is
we're not
all
in shape.
uphill. Hold on. But like I was saying, this is all uphill.
This isn't too bad though. Even though it's uphill, it's not like super steep.
This kid was so happy to go hiking. I am not wearing the right kind of shoes for this. I need to invest in some better hiking shoes. Oh, watch it, Ange.
Oh, sorry.
But
Maddie!
I thought you were going at
no, you're good.
It's okay.
It's all good, kid. Look at that plant.
I wonder what that is.
I don't know what that is.
It's kind of cool.
If you guys know what that plant is, let me know.
Please and thank you. I want to know what kind of flowers these are though. These dark purple ones.
Look how far away she is. Like, look how far away she is. It looks a lot further on the camera.
She wanted me to go first and I said no, I don't want you in the back.
No.
It's safer.
Tell me what flower that is. What kind of flower is that? You guys heard that, right? Like, you, please tell me that got picked up on the mic. Oh, a new flower. This kid taking a picture of a flower. Hey, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and make sure you subscribe for more. Let me know you guys like this kind of content so I can keep doing it. I'm very new to hiking. I'm very new to this kind of content, so I would really like your input. I do stream on Twitch, and sometimes I stream here on YouTube. So like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what your favorite part of this entire video was. What do you think? Should they like and subscribe?
Definitely.
Definitely. You're like,
This is fun.
this is fun. It is. There are a lot of trees. Like, look at this path, guys. Like, it's so fucking rocky and like it's wet too, so it's like very slippery. I've never owned a selfie stick in my life, and I know a gimbal is not a selfie stick, but I told her that I bought a gimbal, and she, just to make fun of me, what did you call it?
A selfie stick.
Yeah, this one's definitely not a disappointment trail.
A cobweb? A cobweb.
Yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments. If you want to see more of this, I would gladly do this. I'm trying to give you guys the best experience I possibly can with the most footage I can.
You know that thing that we ran into and took a picture of multiple times?
Uh-huh.
I saw one just run down
Oh, the whistle pig thing?
there. Yeah, and I wanted to take a picture of it, but then we were No, and then it disappeared and then I couldn't find it.
Sorry.
I'm sure we'll see more. Yo, what is up with this rock wall up here? Oh, this is cool.
And that's the path we gotta take. And then we're just stopping to enjoy this wonderful view that we have. That's not a place I would fall down. I would like to fall down.
Right? Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure you would come out with brain damage or at least a concussion. Just the way that it just looks cool.
No, I need to take a picture now. Look up there.
I'm gonna like so cringe when I edit this video
Probably.
because the way the faces I've been making. I'm gonna make some weird faces, guys. This is me outside of my game room.
Hey, this
outside
is
of
like
my
the
house.
perfect habitat for mushrooms, so keep your eye out.
Oh, I know. I don't think they'd grow necessarily like on the path. I mean, they might, but
it's dark and humid, and
oh, I felt the sprinkle.
hopefully it stays sprinkling and doesn't actually like
It
pour.
Don't fix it. Knock on wood right now. Knock on wood. Knock
All right,
on
I
wood.
have to knock on wood because I said I don't want it to pour. Are you filming me?
Yep.
Why?
Cause
Okay.
am I not allowed to film my sister?
No.
Oh,
Just kidding. I don't
fuck.
care. I'm pretty sure if you kick at it, it's not gonna make the mosquito go away.
It's so green. I'm so used, because I live in a desert. I am so used to it being brown.
I like how you went behind her so you weren't gonna be in the camera, yet she's filming herself.
Oh, I fucking love it. She's not used to it. It's okay. Up we go. Hey, but it'll be easy because we're going to be going down on the way back. As we were making our way up the trail, the rain got a little bit heavier and it started getting really muddy. we didn't feel comfortable continuing the hike, so we ended up turning back.
I'm worried about loose trail.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. I did say we were unexperienced and we're very new to it. If you really like this content, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for hopefully more of this. Comment like what was your favorite part about this video, if you'd like to see more of this stuff. It was really nice to get out of the house and spend some time outdoors. Me personally, I am not a outdoorsy person, but this was really fun to do with my family. I had my sister and my niece with me, and it was overall really fun. So we did not finish the trail, unfortunately, but we do plan to return. All right, that completes our adventure for today. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody say goodbye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. What did you like about this video? What was your favorite part? Should we do this again? I hope you enjoyed watching, and make sure to follow me on all of my socials.